Let's start. Today we will see how to create a sticky text in the CSS. In the body tag, we have a few paragraph tags. All these paragraph tags are placed inside a div tag. The div tag has bottom padding of 2000 pixels. This bottom padding will give is some space where we can perform scroll operations. This scroll operation is required to execute the sticky text. Right above these paragraph tags, we have a text inside a div tag. We will make this text sticky. The class name of this div tag is sticky. In the style tag, we have written the CSS properties for the sticky text. These three attributes convert a normal text into sticky text. Then we have designed some border around the text and some background color. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, when I scroll the web page, the sticky text works as intended. So that's it. That's how you can create a sticky text in the CSS. Thank you.